Okay, we're finding fraction and percentages and amounts. Now, finding a fraction of amount, the best way of doing this is really to find one, whatever it is, so the unit fraction it's called, of this. So I'm going to find 1/7 of 35. And so I can do that in a few ways. You may have seen this sort of thing, bar modelling type thing. Right, so I'm going to split this into 7 bits. Hopefully they'll be about the same. So there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, good. And I need to make it a 35, so I've got to split them all up, and I know that if I put those into there, now some of you will just know that if I did 35 divided by 7, I would get 5. But essentially, one of those, okay, is 5. All right, and so therefore, I want, and I'll just change the colour quickly, I want 3 of them, don't I? Because it asked me for 3/7, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3. And how many have I got there? Well, I've got 15. Okay, now, some of you will know that if you just multiply this by 3, you've got 3/7. Okay, and that's a good way of doing it as well. Okay. Now then, looking at percentage of a number, I'll just check I've changed the colour. I have. Good. Okay, so here we go. Calculate 35% of 250 grams. So you could calculate 10% of 250 grams. Now, 10%, right, I'm dividing this up into 10 equal bits, right, of 250 grams. So that would be 25 grams. All right, so I need 3 of those. Okay, so 3 lots of 10%. Go into 35, so I'm going to get that. Alright, so I've chunked it up into that. Now I need another 5%. Now 5%, right, I should put 250 there really, shouldn't I? 250, there we go. Alright, now 5% of 250 grams is half of 10%, and so therefore I'm going to get 12.5 grams there. And then if I add, I'll just change the colour again. Alright, if I add these percentages up, alright, I end up with 35%, which is what I want there. And so therefore I have to add these up. So I've got 75, which is 87.5 grams. Okay, so chunk it up, split it up nicely, and yeah, job's a good one.